Hey everyone, and a huge warm welcome to Travel Tourists. I'm so glad you're here with us today. Are you dreaming of that perfect getaway? Imagine sinking your toes into warm, powdery sand, with the sound of gentle waves creating the perfect soundtrack. Picture a sky that melts into a brilliant orange and pink canvas as the sun goes down. That dream is a reality in the incredible island nation of Indonesia. It's a country that seems to have perfected the art of the beach, offering a slice of paradise for every single type of traveler out there. This place is pure magic, and we're about to dive right in. Today, we're going on a quick tour, a 5-minute escape to some of the most breathtaking beaches on the entire planet. We're talking about places so beautiful they almost don't seem real. But I promise you they are, and they're waiting for you. We've handpicked 7 incredible spots that will absolutely capture your heart and ignite your wanderlust. From famous shores buzzing with energy to hidden gems that feel like your own private secret, Indonesia truly has it all. So, grab a cool drink, sit back, and let your imagination take you on this incredible coastal journey with us. Before we set sail on this virtual adventure, if you love discovering amazing new places, go ahead and give this video a little tap on the like button. It really helps us out. And if you want to join our community of explorers and never miss another trip, hitting that subscribe button is the way to go. We're going to explore so many more amazing destinations together, and you won't want to miss a single one. This is just the beginning of our journey, and I'm so excited to have you along for the ride. Let's get this tour started, shall we? I also love hearing from you. So as we go through this list, think about which of these beaches is calling your name the most. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite. Maybe you've even been to one of these spots and have a story to share. Sharing is what this community is all about, so don't be shy. Go ahead and share this with a friend, a family member, or anyone you know who is desperately in need of a beach day. Now, are you ready? Let's count down 7 of Indonesia's most unbelievable beaches. First up, we have the legendary Kuta Beach in Bali. This is where the action is, folks. Kuta is alive. It's vibrant, and it's so much fun. The sand here is wonderfully soft and pale, perfect for laying out your towel and soaking up that famous Bali sun. For our first travel tip, visit during sunset. I'm telling you, it's not just a sunset, it's a full-blown performance. The wow detail, the sky explodes in fiery shades of orange. It feels like a spectacular live-action painting, an experience you will never forget. Next, Pink Beach on Komodo Island. Yes, the sand is actually pink. The color comes from microscopic red organisms mixing with white sand. It creates a soft cotton candy hue along the shoreline. It's absolutely surreal. Travel tip: bring your snorkeling gear. Wow detail: pastel pink sand against crystal clear turquoise water. A visual treat. A photographer's dream come true. Now, Nihiwatu Beach on Sumba. Raw, untamed beauty. Quiet, private, a corner of the world time forgot. Tall, swaying palm trees line the shore. The waves are just perfect. Tip: wake up early for a morning walk along the empty shore. Wow detail: watching the sunrise here feels like the world is sharing a beautiful secret with you. Let's hop to Gili Trawangan, off Lombok. The island has a laid-back vibe, no cars or motorbikes allowed. Everyone gets around by bicycle or on foot. The waters are teeming with life. Tip: take a glass-bottom boat tour to see the reefs. Our 5th stop is a true natural wonder, Raja Ampat in West Papua. This is the ultimate destination for divers and nature enthusiasts. It is an archipelago of over 1,500 small, jungle-covered islands, set in a sea that shifts through every shade of blue and green imaginable. The biodiversity here is off the charts. For a travel tip, you absolutely have to book a live-aboard boat tour to explore the countless hidden lagoons and tiny isles. The incredible wow detail here is that the underwater world is so vibrant and dense with coral and fish, it genuinely looks like a vast, submerged garden. Next on our list is the dramatic and rugged Nusa Penida, an island just southeast of Bali. This place is all about breathtaking views and wild, untamed landscapes. You'll find towering limestone cliffs that drop dramatically into crystal-clear bays, revealing hidden beaches with brilliant blue water. It's an adventurer's paradise. A very important travel tip: wear sturdy, comfortable shoes, as the paths down to some of the beaches can be steep and challenging. And the wow detail? The view from the top of the cliffs, looking down at places like Kelingking Beach, is so stunning it will literally take your breath away. Finally, we venture to a more remote paradise, the Derawan Islands in East Kalimantan. This is a spot for those looking to truly get away from it all. It's less traveled, incredibly serene, and offers a sense of total tranquility. The beaches are wide, white, and often feel completely deserted just for you. The surrounding sea is a protected marine park, home to giant manta rays, sea turtles. Our tip: make sure you visit the marine sanctuary to swim with these gentle giants. The magical wow detail? At night you can sometimes see glowing bioluminescent plankton in the water, lighting up the shoreline like fallen stars. Each of these 7 beaches offers a completely unique experience, a different flavor of paradise. Some are buzzing with energy and perfect for socializing. Others offer quiet solitude for rest and reflection. You can find world-class waves for surfing, calm, clear waters for snorkeling with incredible marine life. Indonesia's coastline is a diverse tapestry of natural beauty, offering endless choices for your perfect escape. Now, exploring these incredible places is an adventure in itself. And, a few simple tips can make your journey even smoother and more enjoyable. First and foremost, let's talk about respecting the beautiful nature that makes these places so special. Always remember to keep the beaches clean. Whatever you bring with you, make sure it leaves with you. This simple act helps preserve the pristine beauty of the islands for everyone to enjoy for years to come. It's all about leaving nothing but footprints and taking nothing but memories and amazing photos. Another really important tip is to be mindful of the delicate ecosystems under the water, especially those vibrant coral reefs. When you're packing your sunscreen, try to choose a brand that is labeled reef safe. Many common sunscreens contain chemicals that can harm and bleach the coral, which is home to so many of the colorful fish you want to see. By making this small switch, you are playing a big part in protecting the underwater world. It's a simple choice that has a huge and positive impact on the health of our oceans. Connecting with the local culture can also make your trip so much more meaningful. You don't need to be fluent, but learning just a few basic words in the local language, Bahasa Indonesia, can go a very long way. Simple phrases like terima kasih, thank you, selamat pagi, good morning, delivered with a warm smile, can open doors and create wonderful connections with the incredibly friendly local people. It shows respect and an appreciation for their culture, and you'll be met with even warmer welcomes wherever you go. For some of the more remote islands we talked about, like Raja Ampat, Nusa Penida, a little bit of planning is key. Booking a registered boat tour or hiring a local guide is often the best and safest way to explore. Not only does it make your trip easier and more secure, but local guides also have incredible knowledge. They can take you to secret spots you would never find on your own, and share stories and insights that will enrich your travel experience in ways you can't even imagine.